Hi guys! Making money online is the most researched topics on the internet. If you are interested in these topics, you have researched how to make money by making WordPress type sites. Perhaps the hardest part of this monetization method is creating content. Moreover, if your page views and clicks are low, your earning will be less. In this video, I will explain how to make money by minimizing content creation. The name of the site that will help us is shrinkme.io. Let's briefly summarize the method as follows. We find a link that will interest people. For example, it could be a popular video from YouTube. We create our own short URL by becoming a member of shrinkme.io and pasting this link to the relevant place, and we share it on our website. You can also share in a medium like Telegram. Shrinkme.io pays us. Of course, there are some rules. Now let's go into the details. First of all, let's go to shrinkme.io and become a member. We specify a username and enter our email address and password. I gave such an error while was being member, but then there was no problem. Let's enter the system. Some information is given on administration panel. Let's get to know the site by clicking a few links. I think withdraw is the most important thing for us. By the way, the site gave us $1 as bonus. Ways to collect money are listed. PayPal may be the most popular of this. Payer is a payment system originating from Russia. I will also make a video about Payer. Now let's create a link for a YouTube video. We will pass the copied link into this space. Let's get a link of a video from our channel to test it. Let's paste it. Yes, the short URL is ready. Let's try now. Open a new window and paste the URL. Ads pop up until they get to the video. The browser wants to download some programs. User don't need to download. And after a short while, we reach our video. When employers stopped hiring at pandemic days, on the main page is written that up to $220 is paid for 10,000 views. The system is pretty simple. It took a few minutes to sign up anyway. Payment systems are listed here. Let's look at the details. Some of the payment systems are only valid for some countries. On this page, how much is paid per 10,000 impression is also written according to the countries. There are some rules of making money. Visitors must be unique within 24 hours, must view your page at least 10 seconds, visitors must have JavaScript enabled, visitors must have cookies enabled, visitors must reach the destination final page. If you work regularly, I think you can make good money with this system. That's it for this video. See you next video.